right. This is the audio or read aloud, absolutely true Diary of a Part-Time Indian unit test for LR English 3. And it's the remote version. So whether you're hybrid or remote for the year 2020, this is the version of the test that you should take. You can use the book, you can use any of your notes or past assignments, that is fine. You have Monday and Tuesday to work on the test, but it is due Tuesday at the end of the school day. I will not accept late tests, okay? So, you can pull up your test and follow along while I read. Please make sure that you type your name and the date at the top. And here we go. So for numbers 1 through 6, you're going to, on the left-hand side, either type a T for true or an F for false. Okay? Number 1, Junior says that hunger is not the worst thing about being poor. Is that true or false? Number 2, Mary hides in the basement to write romance novels. Is that true or false? Number 3, Mr. P says hope can be found far away from the reservation. Is that true or false? Number 4, no one in Junior's family has gone to college. Is that true or false? Number 5, Junior punches Roger to earn respect. True or false? Number 6, Penelope is bulimic. True or false? All right, if at any point you need to stop this video or rewind, you can go ahead and do that. This is at your pace. Again, like I said, you have 2 days to do this. Let's do it at the end of the day, Tuesday. All right, part B, fill in the blanks. Mary marries a Flathead Indian and moves to what state? All right, C is short answer, so I would like complete sentences written here. Why does Junior feel like he must transfer to Reardon High School? And please use complete sentences when you type out your answer. Here's another short answer question to use complete sentences for. What causes the students to stand up and walk out of Junior's class in chapter 24, the chapter called Valentine Heart? Why did the students stand up and walk out of class? And then the next short answer question, explain why Arnold loves drawing. Arnold talks about why he loves drawing so much, so please explain that in your own words and complete sentences. And the last short answer. Why is Junior particularly touched by his father's Christmas gift in chapter 21? And the chapter is called A Partridge in a Pear Tree. So what you need to tell me, first of all, is what the Christmas gift is and why Junior was so touched or happy about getting this gift. Remember, I may seem like I'm going fast, but you can pause this video and complete your answers at any time. You can also rewind at your own pace. All right, so D is matching. I have 4 quotes from the book for you here, and you need to put the letter of the character that said the quote, okay? So for A, we have Junior, B, we have Rowdy, C, we have Mary, D, Penelope, E, Roger, G, Junior's father, H, Junior's mother, I, Grandma Spirit, J, Eugene, K, Mr. P, and L, coach. That's a lowercase l. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and make it capital so we can tell the difference. All right, so number 1, who said you have to leave this reservation? Number 2, who said, because I want to build something beautiful, because I want to be remembered? Number 3, who said, you're starting tonight, you can do it? And then number 4, who said, I always knew you were going to leave us behind and travel the world? All right, part E is identification, and this is a short writing segment. So you need to explain how each word, and it's just one word, is important to the story. So write 1 or 2 complete sentences explaining why the word basketball is important to the story. What does basketball have to do with the absolutely true diary of a part-time Indian in general, or the main character, Junior? All right, part F is multiple choice, so you need to circle the best answer. Number 1, Junior hopes and prays that he will someday A, be a famous artist, B, solve the mystery of Turtle Lake, or C, forgive himself for leaving the tribe. Number 2, whose death is not alcohol related? A, Eugene, B, Grandma Spirit, C, Mary, or D, Oscar the dog? Number 3, where is Junior's grandmother's funeral moved to in chapter 23 called Wake? So where do they move her funeral to? And it's because there were so many people. Is it A, to a cathedral, B, to a dance hall, or C, to a football field? And the last question of the test, number 5. What does Junior recall his grandmother telling him was the whole point of life in chapter 22, called Red versus White? A, to meet new people, B, to fight for peace, or C, to find love? All right, so I'm going to say it one more time. You guys have 2 days to finish this. You can use the book, any notes, any old assignments. But this is due at 3:30 on Tuesday. So please make sure that you get it in. Watch this video as many times as you need. Pause it, rewind it. That's up to you, okay? Good luck on your test. I know you can do well.